everyone's doing good this morning. I really don't want to clean this refrigerator out, but it's gonna have to. And I've been putting it off because it's overwhelming every time I do it. Every time I look at it, so I've just been putting it off, you know. But it's gonna have to get done. So yeah. Right now, I'm gonna do some dishes, some dishes. Because dishes is a never-ending story, you know? Never-ending. But yeah, I'm going to put them in my bedroom. That's where they're gonna go, on my dresser. But now let's get these dishes done and get this refrigerator cleaned out that I do not want to do. But it's going to have to get done. You all know this, right? It has to get done, right? So let's do some dishes. It's like never-ending story with dishes. What? There's always dishes. Has to be done. Dishes. It's just like laundry. I'm doing dishes and cleaning out the refrigerator.
Oh, I do it.
If you go put your t-shirt on.
Okay.
Hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just to crank the...
This is what she is looking like. Okay.
Mom, what is this?
I don't know.
What is that? Mom, what they see in the distance? Mom. Seal. And here. Oh no. Sorry. Oh no.
I'm gonna go on and put the marshmallows in here so they won't be there.
The snake's swimming around.
Somebody told me how to do this. I don't know how to do it, so it is what it is. I forgot about this onion.
ugly. The drinks like ugly. The drinks like ugly. Well, the drinks like that ugly. Let's be happy. I got it. What's these?
What medicine?
Oh, my medicine?
Yeah.
I need these. I need to eat those. I need to eat these. That hooded shit in minutes. The saw was all like hooded.
That's bacon grease. I didn't know I had 2 of them. So this is bacon grease and this is bacon grease. I didn't know I had 2 of them. But anywho, now we got 2 containers. I probably switch over that one container. Okay, now I need to go get actually, haha, we are going to take these off and we're going to wash them. I know.
My light is so seared.
You know what goes in these small containers? I'm still trying to figure it out.
Okay.
So let's wash this.
I need something. The mixer. Hey. Mommy, I need something to make the trash can. Mommy, I made something to make this and then start this. I'm gonna dip it in the trash can.
No.
Please.
So
No, I'm gonna do a massy thing in the side.
Theodore don't have school today. That's the reason why he's home. Actually, Theodore's last day is the next Wednesday. So
It's Wednesday.
April the 28th. I don't
April the
know.
17th. April the 17th.
Get this side.
Mommy, you just out.
What?
That trash eggs.
What about it? Oh, what'd you do?
Tracks.
Why'd you do that?
I don't want to throw it away.
Well, go get you a broom and sweep it up.
I have a broom.
Well, go get a broom.
Is it only short? Or is it only short?
Go right down.
It's only short. I mean, something. Yes.
Move.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
You all was not filming. I am so sorry about that. Oh, sorry, Theo.
Okay. I want to help you. No, it's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry, Theo. Okay. So that's good. That's good. That is good. Let's put this stuff back in the doors, and then we can do that way. I'm gonna put that right there. I know some people say that you shouldn't do that, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. This is nasty. People, I wouldn't recommend this. This is disgusting. I'm gonna just go and throw it away. And this is homemade lime from my stepsister, stepdad's family's grapes. Yeah. So.
Where's my rocks from?
I still have it jumped out, honey. It's really good. This is what's in this too. He had me try it, and I really liked it. But you are.
But it's not good. It's not good.
Not good.
No.
Oh, it's good. But you know it's not good.
But it's the toilet. That's my life. And here. Here. It's just like.
I'm actually gonna put this up on this side too. So I'm gonna put my lemonade. If it no, I'm not gonna do that. It won't fit. It won't fit.
I have I have a baby in my tummy, Mama.
Oh, you got a flashlight in your tummy, don't you?
Now I have a baby in my tummy. Maybe the doctor. What's my life? What? Away.
This is boys. This is good. I Actually, I'm gonna take this grease out and put it in this grease. It's bacon grease. This is homemade caramel. It's really good, you all. So, pull that down.
Tony.
You got a baby monkey on my tummy?
Yeah.
Well.
It's him. You already started. It's show me my Tony. Show me my Tony. Show me my Tony. Show me my Tony.
There we go. We put the bottles and cream cheese in them.
Show me. What's my?
Okay.
It's a baby monkey.
That looks so much better.
It's a boy.
Be done with oil. That's trash. Oh, they might actually still good. We got oil. Lunchable. That's Zoe's. Brad made a pink fork. Whatever. He made this last night on the smoker, so I don't have to cook tonight. So, well, actually, I still have to make the sides. But other than that, I don't have to. This needs to be worked out to the chickens. I really don't think these will be any count no more because they're from Easter. So these are getting tossed. And then we got strawberries and oranges. And then, oh gosh, supper from last night. Biscuit. That me and Theodore will be eating for lunch. Then we got pickles. Of course you will. We got pickles. Would it be a refrigerator without pickles? Then you got Zoe's a nasty Dr. Pepper. And then you got some eggs. How many eggs do we have in here, you all? How many? Want to guess? Got 4 eggs in now. We would even go grocery shopping. And this refrigerator is driving me nuts. Now somehow, you all have told me this many times, but I keep forgetting. Juices. This can go trash. Which this can be worked out and be washed. Okay. We got yogurt. We got biscuits. We got cheese. More yogurt. Cheese, anyone? A juice. More juice. We might actually make room for these juices somewhere in the dorm. So these I'm going to feed to the chickens. That's bad. Because they have been in now and the kids have not even touched them. So these are going to the chickens. And this is going to the chickens. Okay, so now it's empty. Yay. I'm just gonna wipe her down. I'm not gonna take her out and wash her. I need to, but I'm not going to. My eyebrows are itchy. And if you haven't cleaned your refrigerator out lately, this is what time to do it. put his juices now. Well, one of these that one. Well, I thought one of them was open. That one open too. That one's open too. Okay. Now, the oranges. I do wash my strawberries. I just put them back in the container that they came in. I know, you are so aggravating. Now, stop. You are, and she's done. She looks so much better. I'm gonna show you all. She is done. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Down here, you all, if you go buy your refrigerator, I do not recommend get one of these thingies. Make sure it's all flat. I need to come and get this cleaned. All of this cleaned. I also need to go and get my deep freezer cleaned out too, but it's not gonna happen today, and that's not gonna happen today either. Hold on. I need to wipe the front of it off real quickly. Hope you all can see. Hopefully. I need to do the sides. I think this right here, when I go get the laundry room clean, that's going in the laundry room. I'm gonna get it one. How's her? What? Oh,
Yeah, why?
I better run. I hit one. Oh goodness, it got me.
Did I eat your dad? I eat you already. Mommy ate you more. I ate your horn, Mom. I ate your horn.
It did.
Yeah, that horn.
What am I gonna do? I don't have a home.
You really going right down. You gotta like push you on and you drag it. And then take next time to do the next one.
How did that glue get on the side of the refrigerator? There you are. Oh God, tummy. My tummy, my tummy. Okay, so she is cleaned. I'm proud of myself. I got that done. That was on my to-do list for quite a good minute. So now, I'm gonna go find me some Tylenol, take me some Tylenol, and drink me a bottle of water. If you ain't cleaned the refrigerator, today's the day. Get up and do it, because if yours look like mine, it needs it. And tomorrow I'm going to the Almond store and to another grocery store and the Walmart. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.